Presenting the iQOO Z644W. It comes in color options of Lumina Blue and Raven Black. The phone also has 180Hz touch sampling rate and truly immersive display experience. Full HD Plus AMOLED display and gaming sessions for an enhanced touch response. It has 50MP rear camera. It has new 6nm process and true color contrast. Variety of smart AI camera features and effects and wonderful moments. It comes with 44W FlashCharge. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and octa-core architecture design. Snapdragon 680 and GPU performance. It also features touchscreen, Bluetooth enabled, and fingerprint sensor. Dual SIM, GPS and video player. The delivery box contains cell phone, charger and Type-C USB cable. Warranty card, quick start guide and SIM eject tool.